Overview. Meter set contents. Meter overview. Operating instructions. Important information before use. Ensure that all parts are clean and dry. Before starting treatment, talk to your physician about the duration, dosage and frequency of use of the nebulizer. The device is designed for an intermittent use, 30 minutes on, 30 minutes off. Pour the drinking water or saline into the medicine cup. Press the power button to turn on the device and check if the nebulization is taking place properly. Discard any remaining water and restart the process with the medication prescribed by your physician. Do not remove the nebulizer kit from the main unit during nebulization. Before first use, pull out Mylar and charge the battery for 5 hours before first use. Once the nebulizer is plugged into the power plug at any time, it will go into recharge mode and stop nebulization. Before first use, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to initiate the 4G connection and synchronize the correct date and time. Unit assembly and usage. Align the tab of the spray nozzle with the notch of the cap and assemble. Add the appropriate amount of medication to the medicine cup, as directed by your physician. Do not exceed the line marked max. Align and insert the assembled cap on the medicine cup. Turn clockwise, and the junction of the nebulizer kit will become one full circle. Attach the mouthpiece to the cap. You can directly connect the nebulizer kit to the main unit, or connect the air hose to the nebulizer kit and the main unit if needed. Close your lips around the mouthpiece and press the power button to activate the nebulizer. Hold the main unit vertically during your treatment. Never lie down while using the nebulizer. Do not block the air inlet and press the power button by mistake. After treatment, press the power button to turn off the device and clean as directed in Cleaning and Maintenance. Initiate the 4G connection. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds in standby mode. Or press the power button while nebulizing. The indicator will change from flashing blue to solid blue. The 4G connection indicator will automatically turn off once the data is successfully uploaded to the Fora 24/7 Health View. Cleaning and maintenance. Please follow the cleaning instructions to clean your device after each use. Before cleaning, make sure the nebulizer is turned off before disassembly. Pull out the nebulizer kit from the main unit. Then pull out the mouthpiece, mask from the nebulizer kit. Turn counterclockwise, and depart the cap with spray nozzle from the medicine cup. Detach the spray nozzle from the cap. Rinse the mouthpiece, medicine cup, spray nozzle and cap thoroughly with running water at least 10 seconds. Especially for the spray nozzle, make sure to flush the opening to clean out the residue. Never clean out the clog in the gap with sharp objects. If the spray nozzle, mouthpiece, cap and medicine cup are still in severe obstruction or dirty, immerse them in water for at least 15 minutes first, and then rinse them with running water for at least 10 seconds again. Shake off excess water and let them air dry. Wipe the mask, air hose, and the outer casing of the main unit with a clean cloth. Never immerse the mask, air hose and the main unit in the water. Replace the air filter. For the efficiency of the nebulization, we suggest users replace the air filter every 6 months. Use a tweezer to carefully take out the air filter from the air opening. Take a new air filter and fully insert it into the air opening. Troubleshooting. If the nebulizer is not working properly or the device is on but nebulizes weakly, the possible cause is low battery power. Plug in the power plug to recharge the main unit. Please note the nebulizer will not activate while charging. Please also check if the power switch is turned on or if the spray nozzle places in its position. Add the appropriate amount of medicine prescribed by your physician to the medicine cup if the medicine cup is empty. If the device is on but does not nebulize, check the nebulizer kit is assembled well. If not, please reassemble the nebulizer kit. If you have any issues, please contact our customer service line at 888-307-8188.